This is a practical guide to accessing mental health services with Medi-Cal in Alameda County. These services include individual counseling, family therapy, psychiatric services, medication management, and emergency 988 support. 3 steps to access. 1. The Vietnamese Resource Center in San Leandro offers free multilingual guidance and assistance. 2. We help you verify your eligibility with the Access Line, 1-800-491-9099. 3. We help you request an assessment to determine the most appropriate level of care. Mental health support is a sign of resilience and benefits everyone, not just those going through a crisis. Seeking help is a strength.